Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today I'm going to explain a basic but very important economic concept, inflation. Inflation is the general increases in the price of goods and services over time. When inflation happens, the value of money decreases. This means that with the same amount of money, you can buy fewer things than before. For example, imagine last year you could buy a bottle of water for $1. This year, the price increases to $1.20. The difference is caused by inflation. So, what causes inflation? There are three main causes. The first, demand pull inflation. This happens when the demand for goods and services is greater than the supply. In other words, too many people want to buy something, but there is not enough available. As a result, prices go up. The second, cost push inflation. This occurs when the cost of production increases. For example, if the price of raw materials or wage goes up, companies increases their price to cover the higher costs. The last, built-in inflation. This type of inflation is related to expectation. When workers accept price to rise in the future, they demand higher wage. They raise price again. The cycle keeps inflation going. Next, about impact of inflation. The first, reduces purchasing power. The same amount of money buys fewer goods. The second, higher cost of living. Everyday expenses become more expensive. The third, economic uncertainty. People and business find it harder to plan for the future. The last, decreased value of savings. Money saved loses value when inflation is high. The last topic is the how to control inflation. The first, raising interest rates. Encourage people to save more and spend less, reducing money circulation. The second, controlling the money supply. The central bank limits how much money is in this economy. The third, fiscal policy. The government adjusts taxes and spending to stabilize price. And the last is improving production and distribution, ensuring enough supply to prevent price increases. In inclusion, inflation is when price rise and money loses value. Understanding inflation helps us make better financial decisions and understand what is happening in the economy around us. Thank you for watching.